so it's not working as beautiful. Sorry, that's some weird tasting cigarette. Well, cigar. I have no way to get my flashlight. Alright, that one hit smoother. So, yeah, there might be a little water coming in. So it's a little damp. Right now I'm sitting up. I definitely got to make some improvements for next time. Maybe get a better tarp. Yeah, I never did get that video posted, did I? No. So, yeah, I definitely got to work on videos tomorrow. As soon as I find a spot to charge everything. Oh, this way this is set up, it would be awesome to smoke weed in. Oh, man. So, yeah, it's a little damp. It could be the way that, could be my tarp. Because, you know, I found this tarp like right before I left. Like 2 weeks before I left. Before I even decided I was going to leave. How awesome is that? But, yeah. My gear is in some garbage bags. Thank you once again, John. So yeah, it's not the dampness that's waking me up. It's the sound of the rain hitting the tarp and the thunder and the lightning. I don't think I'm making it too far tomorrow. I gotta find some place. Hey, nice coffee. I'm thinking backtracking back to Wendy's because they have dining in, so I can get some coffee and yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'm definitely not making it too far tomorrow. I do want to get away from Mentor, at least from the shopping area. People said there's the beach. That's about 4 miles north. But I don't know if I really want to make a detour tomorrow. I had somebody IM me ask me if I needed a hotel. But, yeah, not yet. As awesome as it would be is just to do hotels after hotel after hotel. I can't keep doing that. I really can't. So, yeah. I'm so tired right now. I mean, I easily fall asleep in this hammock. So the hammock is great. It's just raining crap that sucks ass. Yeah, I know. But That's part of the adventure. I think the hardest part is I'm doing it alone. But, you know, I've been alone for so long, it's just how it is. Well, no. After my dad died, man, everybody stopped talking to me. Everybody. All my family, everything. It has not been easy. I mean, my next door neighbors, they adopted me basically. Like, I love them to death. And they moved away. And I met somebody, a friend, but I had to take this trip. And, well, yeah, they're not talking to me anymore. So, I don't know. It's the loneliness that's hard, but I'm used to it. I'm so fucking used to it. My life hasn't been all that great lately. More people are worried about me now than they have been in the last 4 years. How crazy is that? Honestly. It's kind of fucked up, ain't it? But, yeah. Wow, this is going to be a whole video by itself. I really should try to get some sleep again. Now that there's no thunder and lightning, but I'm going to finish this cigarette. So, yeah, it's not all good times here. It's not. It is very rough. But thank you for your support, people. I really appreciate it. I really do. More than you guys can ever imagine. More than you can imagine. So, yeah. But, oh man. Yeah, you can tell my voice is deep. You guys can't even see me. See my cigarette, that's about it. There we go. I entertain you with the cigarette. By the time this journey is over, you guys are going to know me a lot. A lot. So keep following. There'll be more segments like this. I guarantee it. Especially now that I have the battery chargers. So, I just got to get them fully charged. So it's going to be a late start tomorrow also because, yeah, I need to get these battery packs charged. But I'm done smoking. Good night, everyone. And stay safe. Be kind to everybody. And love always.